Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Neha Vashist, and in today's video we are going to talk about the sensitivity of teeth. So if you have ever felt a painful sensation in your teeth while eating or drinking something which is cold, hot, sour or sweet food or beverages, then that means you have experienced the sensitivity problem. And don't worry, you're not alone, because this condition has affected 1 out of the 4 adults, often going and coming over time. So stay tuned with us up till the last of the video, because in this video I'm going to tell you what are the causes of sensitivity and what all you can do to prevent or to reduce the sensitivity of teeth. So now the teeth sensitivity or dentinal hypersensitivity is one of the most commonest dental problem, and it can cause pain or discomfort in the teeth in response to the stimuli, which are like hot and cold temperature or sweet and sour food. It can affect a single tooth or several tooth of an individual, and it can even affect all the tooth of a same person, and it can be chronic condition in few cases, and it can be a temporary problem in few patients. Coming to the causes of sensitivity, let me first show you the normal structure of tooth and the surrounding structures, because it will help you in understanding this problem in a much better way. So the first layer is of enamel. It is white in color and it is the outermost layer of our teeth, and this layer is very helpful because it is the only thing which prevent our teeth from sensitivity. Underneath, the second layer is of dentine. It is yellowish in color, and this layer is more porous as compared to enamel. And the third layer is of pulp. In this region, the arteries and nerves which are connected to our teeth, they are present, and this layer is very sensitive, and if any stimuli reaches up to this layer, then it can cause severe pain and discomfort. So coming to the factors or the causes, the first factor is wrong brushing technique or wrong brushing habit. If you're using a very hard bristle brush, or if you're using it very forcefully onto the surface, or if you're brushing for a very long time, then all these reasons are going to ultimately damage your enamel layer, thus leading to the exposure of dentine and causing you sensitivity. So you have to brush your teeth in a very right manner and for a limited period of time, and with a very soft bristle brush. Now the second cause or the factor is tooth decay. So obviously if you're having a decay in any of your teeth, then the enamel layer is going to get affected, and it will lead to the exposure of dentine and ultimately causing you sensitivity. Or if there is a caries progressing under your gum line, then it will also going to reach up to the layer of pulp and causing sensitivity of teeth. The third cause or factor is cracked tooth or fractured tooth. If you are having any cracked tooth or a chipped tooth, then that is going to act as a breeding ground for microorganisms, and if this microorganisms or bacteria reach up to the pulp, then they are going to cause the inflammation of pulp, and in that condition also you're going to feel sensitivity and pain in your teeth. Now the fourth reason is grinding of teeth. So if an individual have this habit of grinding their teeth while they're sleeping or otherwise, then they are at a higher risk of damaging their enamel surface of the teeth and thus exposing the dentine, which causes sensitivity of teeth. Now the fifth reason is using any acidic beverages or acidic mouth gargle for a very long time, because if you're using these things, then it is going to ultimately damage the enamel surface of your teeth, and it will worsen the sensitivity problem. So after seeing all these causes, you can easily make out what is the reason for sensitivity of your teeth, and you can let me know in the comment section what is the cause that's affecting your teeth. And if you like this video, then you can share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe this channel. So now coming back to this topic, what are the preventive measures which you can take to reduce this problem of sensitivity? So the first preventive measure is keeping or having a very good oral hygiene. And the second measure which you can use to reduce sensitivity is changing your brush to a more softer one. If you're using a hard bristles toothbrush, then it's time to change it to a softer one. And you should use the toothpaste which has good fluoride content in it. And even the mouthwash which you are using, it should have a right amount of fluoride content, and all the other composition should be proper. It should not be more acidic one. Do ask your dentist about a proper mouth rinse. And you can't avoid flossing your teeth. You have to floss your teeth regularly. And what else you can do is like avoid taking more of the acidic beverages or the acidic food item in your day-to-day life. And last but not the least, do visit your dentist regularly if you want to never face this problem. Thank you for watching this video.